Security is evolving fast, and ACTi Z330/Z331/Z332/Z325 is leading the change with certifications, AI, dual light, and durable design. Z330 offers 2 MP, 8 MP 4K options with NDAA, BSMI, CE, FCC, IP68, IK10. Wide deployment, low cost, full compliance. More coverage and reliability while spending significantly less. IR stays discreet until detecting people or vehicles, then switches to bright white light, giving full color evidence and deterrence. Ideal for entrances, campuses, and industrial sites. IP68 waterproofing and IK10 metal housing withstand harsh weather, dust, and impact. Reliable for outdoor perimeters and factories with minimal failures and maintenance. Deep learning AI filters motion noise and identifies real human and vehicle activity. Reduces false alarms and boosts response accuracy across buildings, schools, and factories. 2.8mm wide angle plus 120 to 130 dB WDR covers more area with fewer cameras. Clear visibility even in bright backlight. Fewer blind spots, lower deployment cost. SI save 30 to 50% compared to Axis while gaining AI precision, rugged durability, and full certifications. Less troubleshooting, better proposals, higher win rates. For scalable, durable, AI-powered protection, choose ACTi Z330 series. Contact ACTi for demos and SI pricing. Upgrade your next project today.